I've been in Wall Street for about 70 years. Came to work in 1933, became a member of the stock exchange for Newburger Loeb Company in 1940, until now.
Newburger stopped trading in 1995 to become the director of the Alliance of Floor Traders. But his friends who are still brokers say that it's getting harder and harder to make a living.
And he's lucky in a sense that he doesn't have to operate a business in this environment.
Very, very difficult. When I came on the floor, there were 1,366 seats. In the past 5 years, it has gone, I'd say, from about 200 to about 50.
Beyond the financial crisis, competition from other stock markets and computerized trading have badly eroded floor traders' business. NASDAQ, a computerized exchange, has emerged as a serious competitor since the 1990s. In these hard times for floor brokers, Newburger brings a valuable sense of perspective to the floor.
When you can have people like Bob reminisce about some of those days and you say, gee, that sounds remarkably like what we're going through now. And it tends to soothe the breast somewhat.
I started to work during the Depression. The largest selling canned goods in grocery stores, believe it or not, was dog food. People ate dog food and glad to get it. People jumped out of windows because the insurance would take care of their family.
Newburger started working on Wall Street for his father's firm in 1933. Just like the markets, he has seen good times and bad. In 1970, his firm went under, and he lost everything.
There are ups and downs. I've been through it. I lived high on the hog, made good money every year. I had born with a platinum spoon in my mouth, and I suddenly found it was nothing but tin, because I lost everything. I had to start over again.
Not only his observations on the market, but his observations on life, I think, proved very valuable, very insightful, very comforting in times like these.
I'm so embarrassed, I think I'm going to leave this. This is dumb to say, but by George, I'm a much happier man living in modest circumstances than I ever was when I was really, really, really well off. Because I could eat in the finest restaurants and find fault with it. Now, if I eat in any restaurant, I'm happy to be there.
Despite the increasing automation that threatens their livelihood, Newburger and his colleagues still believe in doing business with a personal touch.
The thing about the stock exchange that's been stimulating and rewarding, it's been the relationships with people.
And I think that's what keeps me coming every day, even today, when basically there's not a whole lot to do anymore.
Interesting you say that, because I said originally this has not been a eighth and quarter and decimal business. It's been a people business.
Well, it is a people. At the end of the day, it's a people business.